Hello, cake lovers. Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today, we are diving into the world of animation with 20 cartoon themed cakes. Your kids will absolutely love it. Let's dive into the cake of cartoon themes. The first one is Mickey and Minnie Mouse Cake, Minnie Mouse Cake. Classic Disney charm in red and black and white with fondant ears and polka dots. A timeless favorite. The next is frozen Elsa and Anna cake. Shimmering blue icing, snowflakes, and Elsa iconic braid. Perfect for winter parties. The next is SpongeBob SquarePants cake. Bright yellow fondant ocean themed element and Joffy fun. Who lives in a cake under the sea? The next is Spider-Man cake. Web design red and blue. Color petal and a 3D topper of Spider himself. For you little hero. The next is Peppa Pig cake, adorable pink fondant, muddy puddles, and Peppa smiling on top. Oink, twist, fun. The next is Avengers superhero cake. Iron Man, Hulk, Thor, and Captain America all on one multi-tiered masterpiece. The ultimate team-up cake. The next is Paw Patrol cake. Colorful pups and budgies with cheese and marshmallows as toppers. No jobs is too big. No cake is too small. The next is Mini Mayans cake. Yellow fondant with Joffy, Mini Mayan eyes and blue suspenders. Banana approved. The next is Tom and Jerry, all's favorite cake. Classic cartoon duo in action with mouse holes and cheese. Old school fun for all ages. The next is Princess Bella cake. Elegant gold ruffles and a beauty and bees topper. Perfect for a royal party. The next is Barbie cake. Pink overload with glitter makeup icons and Barbie's Salhot, Glam and Gully. The next is Cocomelon cake. Colorful rainbow musical notes and JJ on in fondant form. A toddler's favorite theme. The next is Baby Shark cake. Waves underwater decor and singing shark toppers. Do yours way to great birthday. Perfect for fish lovers. The next is Pokemon cake. Peekaboo, pokeballs, and electric themed details. Gota cake, all. The next is Doraemon cake. Blue fondant with decor Doraemon's face, gadgets, and timed doors. A cake from the future. The next is Angry Birds cake. Colorful birds flying over fondant blocks and pigs. Fun, bold, and creative. The next is Carl Lightning McQueen cake. Racetracks, red car toppers, and checkered fondant details. Coco. Wow, perfect for queens or girls' parties or birthdays. The next is Chin Chan cake. Comical visual features and playful fondant scenes from the show. Quarantine giggles. The next is Lego cake. Blocky, colorful, and customizable with any cartoon faces. Build your dream cake by your own. The next is Teddy Bear cartoon cake. Soft pastel color with cute bears and hearts. Great for first birthday or baby birthdays. Use bright color fondant, print or bold characters as toppers. Use edible pens for facial details. Create matching accessories like crowns, gadgets, or pops. Don't forget themed cake borders. Make it fun, bold, and full of imagination. Cartoon cakes are not just desserts, they are part of the party magic. Which character was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below. If you like this video or any idea, take a screenshot of it and press the like button to support us and share with your friend or family member who want to make a cake for their child's next birthday. And subscribe to Cakes Factory for more colorful cake ideas every day. New, weird, new videos are coming up. Pando cakes, comic style cakes, mini characters. So stay tuned with us. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. And tell us which cake you want to create or which idea do you like the most. Stay happy and blessed. Stay tuned with us. See you in the next sweet and stunning videos which you like the most. Goodbye.